Every houseplant type explained. Number 1. Aroids. Aroids are the undisputed kings of the houseplant world and are famous for their stunning, often heart-shaped leaves. This group includes favorites like the Monstera deliciosa and the humble pothos, which are beloved for their climbing habits. In the wild, these plants grow on the floor of tropical jungles, so they love bright, indirect light and chunky, well-draining soil. They are generally quite forgiving, making them the perfect entry point for new indoor gardeners. Most aroids will tell you when they're thirsty by slightly drooping their leaves, then bouncing back quickly after a drink. If you give them a moss pole to climb, many of these species will reward you with much larger and more dramatic leaves. They are the ultimate aesthetic plants for anyone looking to create a lush, leafy vibe indoors. Number 2. Succulents and cacti. Succulents and cacti are the masters of survival, designed to live in some of the harshest, driest places on Earth. They store water in their thick, fleshy leaves or stems, which means they prefer to be ignored rather than overwatered. The number one mistake people make with these is giving them too much love in the form of water, which leads to root rot almost instantly. They absolutely crave bright, direct sunlight, so a south-facing windowsill is usually their favorite spot in the house. You only need to water them when the soil is completely bone dry all the way to the bottom. Their shapes are incredibly diverse, ranging from tiny rosettes to tall, prickly towers that look like living sculptures. If you have a sunny home and a busy schedule, these are definitely the plants for you. Number 3. Ferns. Ferns are the delicate, feathery residents of the plant world that bring a very soft and ancient feel to a room. Unlike succulars, ferns are obsessed with moisture and will quickly turn crisp and brown if the air in your home is too dry. They evolved in the damp, shady understory of forests, so they prefer consistent moisture and high humidity levels. This makes them the perfect candidates for a bright bathroom, where they can soak up the steam from your morning shower. They don't like direct sunlight at all, as it can easily scorch their thin, sensitive fronds. While they can be a bit more high maintenance than other types, their lush green textures are worth the extra effort of misting. If you can master the balance of water and air humidity, a healthy fern is a true showstopper. Number 4. Indoor palms. Indoor palms are the go-to choice if you want to fill a large corner and add an instant tropical vacation feel to your living room. Popular varieties like the parlor palm or the Kentia palm are surprisingly well adapted to indoor life compared to their beach-dwelling cousins. They generally prefer bright, filtered light and like their soil to stay slightly moist but never soggy. Most palms grow relatively slowly, so you don't have to worry about them outgrowing your ceiling anytime soon. They are also fantastic at filtering the air, making your home feel fresher just by standing there. Be careful with the tips of their leaves, as low humidity can sometimes cause them to turn brown and crispy. They are the perfect anchor plants to give your indoor jungle some height and structure. Number 5. Sansevierias. If you are convinced that you have a black thumb, the snake plant is here to prove you wrong. These plants are nearly indestructible and can survive in almost any lighting condition, from dark corners to bright sun. They have stiff, sword-like leaves that grow vertically, which makes them great for tight spaces where you don't want a sprawling plant. Snake plants are actually a type of succulent, so they store water in their leaves and only need to be watered once every few weeks. They are also famous for their ability to convert CO2 into oxygen at night, which is why many people keep them in their bedrooms. You can go on vacation for a month, and this plant will likely look exactly the same when you get back. It is the ultimate low-maintenance companion for the modern, busy lifestyle. Number 6. Ficus. The ficus family includes some of the most iconic tree-style houseplants, like the trendy fiddle-leaf fig and the hardy rubber plant. These plants love consistency and are known to drop their leaves in protest if you move them around or change their environment too suddenly. They need plenty of bright, indirect light to maintain their large, glossy leaves and keep their stems strong. Because they grow like actual trees, they can become quite large centerpieces in your home over time. It's a good idea to wipe their leaves with a damp cloth every now and then to keep them free of dust and looking shiny. While the fiddle-leaf fig has a reputation for being a bit of a diva, the rubber plant is much more laid back. They are the perfect choice if you want a plant that feels like a permanent piece of furniture. Number 7. Calatheas and Marantas. Prayer plants are famous for their stunning leaf patterns that look like they were painted on by an artist. They get their name because their leaves actually move throughout the day, folding up at night like hands in prayer and opening back up in the morning. Like ferns, these plants are native to the jungle floor, meaning they love high humidity and filtered, lower light levels. They are a bit picky about the water they drink and often prefer filtered water over what comes out of your tap. If the air gets too dry, the edges of their beautiful leaves will start to curl or turn brown very quickly. They are perfect for people who enjoy the interactive side of gardening and don't mind a little extra pampering. When they are happy, their bold colors and movement make them the most interesting plants in any collection. Number 8. Hoyas. Hoyas are climbing or trailing vines that are loved for their thick, waxy leaves and incredible star-shaped flowers. They are often passed down through generations because they are long-lived and relatively easy to care for once you get the hang of them. Hoyas like to dry out between waterings, similar to succulents, but they enjoy a bit more humidity than a desert cactus would. They are famous for their peduncles, which are the stems where flowers grow. You should never prune these off because they will bloom from the same spot every year. Many Hoya flowers have a very strong, sweet fragrance that fill the room at night. They look amazing in hanging baskets where their vines can drape down or climb up a small trellis. They are the perfect collectible plant because there are hundreds of different leaf shapes and colors to find. Number 9. Orchids. Orchids have a reputation for being difficult, but most people just treat them too much like normal dirt plants. In nature, most indoor orchids are epiphytes, meaning they grow on tree branches rather than in the soil. This is why you'll see them sold in bark or moss instead of traditional potting mix. Their roots actually need to breathe air. They love bright, indirect light and a consistent watering schedule where the bark is allowed to almost dry out. The best part about orchids are their blooms, which can last for several months and come in almost every color imaginable. Once the flowers fall off, don't throw the plant away. With a little patience and some orchid food, it will bloom again next year. They add a touch of elegance and sophisticated color that no other houseplant can match. Number 10. Air plants. Air plants are the oddballs of the botanical world because they don't need any soil at all to grow. They have tiny scales on their leaves that absorb moisture and nutrients directly from the air around them. To water them, you simply give them a bath by soaking them in a bowl of water for about 20 minutes once a week. Because they don't need a pot, you can get incredibly creative with how you display them. You can tuck them into shells, glue them to driftwood, or hang them in glass orbs. They love bright, filtered light and good air circulation to make sure they dry out properly after their bath. Every now and then, they will produce a surprisingly bright and exotic flower from their center. They are the perfect low-mess option for someone who wants greenery without the dirt. So, are you ready to pick your next roommate? Whether you want a tough-as-nails snake plant or a dramatic fiddle-leaf fig, there's a houseplant type for every level of commitment.